Hello guys, welcome again to Full Stack. Today we are having Dr. Anurag with us. So welcome Dr. Anurag.
Thank you.
Here in the Full Stack studio for the first time. So we will discussing about how Full Stack is taken care by the software engineering. So Anurag will enlighten all the audience.
Okay, yeah, thank you, Lokesh. So overall full stack, if I say, you know that, I'm assuming that the audience know that it's all about starting from front end till back end.
Okay.
And how software engineering plays a vital role in that, or how full stack contributes to software engineering. So full stack is all about development, right? And software engineering is a kind of bigger picture of the development. So in that bigger picture, when you have the software requirements, that what are the functionalities that software should have, what is the design of this software? Let's say I have 10 functionalities that I need to develop. So those 10 functionalities are actually developed by full stack developers.
Yes, yes.
Right? So when the full stack developers, when on the top of their full stack knowledge, if they have a little bit knowledge about software engineering,
okay,
the requirements, the design, so they understand the needs from the software better.
Yes.
So you start thinking from a bigger perspective, a bigger role of software engineering. So as a full stack developer, let's say if I have a knowledge of software engineering domain, so I can understand that my app, for example, needs a login, needs a home screen, needs a payment gateway, needs a profile, needs a, let's say, photo album. So all these functionalities need to be created.
Okay, Anurag, how difficult it is for a full stack developer to understand the logics of software engineering?
Oh, okay, good question. So it's all about location. It's all about the mindset, right? So generally we have the computer science. The biggest myth of the people for computer science is that it's all about coding and development, and the answer is no. So what I say is, or everybody knows that computer science is all about utilizing the technology to deliver real world solutions,
Yes.
problems. You have to solve the problems. So in the process of solving problems, you have to, leave that coding mindset behind. So it takes some time, takes some practice, right, to understand, to identify the problems, look at what are the needs from the software, and then start developing those needs, convert the ideas into reality. Take some time, take some practice, because the switch of the mindset, right, you have to play different roles. So when that mind switch start happening, then it's pretty easy for anybody to think about that.
Because what we do in full stack, actually, in a normal procedure, we have a lot of the complete team, I will say. The designers are there, the developers are there. But in full stack, if a single person take care of all the responsibility, don't you think the software engineering will put a extra burden?
No, the answer is, if I think from the developer aspect, it's yes. But if you look at the bigger picture, as I was saying, I'll say no. Because the software engineering aspect actually helps full stack developers to create a high quality software. What I mean by high quality software, there are a couple of things. First, you are creating the software right. That means there are no errors, no faults. Second thing is that you are developing what your customer needs.
Okay.
For example, my customer needs a photo album and I create a payment gateway. That's a disaster.
Yes.
So software engineering helps you to make sure that you are developing what your customer needs. That's why you understand the needs of the software first before actual development.
Yes, yes.
So that really helps to save the rework effort and time. Rework means you don't have to correct, you don't have to spend, or I can say waste time. Industries are struggling through that. So that rework time and cost is saved actually.
Yes, Anurag. Thank you. It was really great, but short. I would like to keep it very short. For the long sessions, we will definitely come back to the Anurag, and our audience will be able to understand the software engineering impact on full stack in a larger manner. So definitely we will be having such sessions later. So thank you so much, Anurag, for giving us time today.
Thank you very much.
We will be having some good sessions with you later on.
Thank you.
Thank you to all of the audience. And please don't forget to subscribe us, like us, and please comment anything if you want to have some good topics related to full stack, software engineering, AI, and anything. Please put all those in comments. We will come back to you. Thank you, everyone.